This is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So first step is to copy or check your IMEI number, which you can do by dialing the *#06#. So here are your two IMEI numbers. Copy any of those, doesn't matter which one you'll go for. Then launch the web browser of your choice. Type in the IMEI.Info URL. Then at the main page of the IMEI.Info website, once it loads, of course, since it takes way more time than it should. Okay, let me try to just quit the stupid Fortnite website. And over here, I'll input the IMEI.Info URL once again and hope for the best. And I hope it actually loads the website, which it should. And I have no idea why it doesn't. Since I have the internet connection, the URL is entered correctly. Okay, maybe let's try Googling for a sec. Maybe the website itself is down, the server's down, or they are undergoing some kind of maintenance. Anyway, so we've successfully opened the IMEI checker, which should happen just by entering the IMEI.Info URL, but well, usually I've just happened to use the website once there are some technical stuff going on, perhaps. Anyway, just paste your IMEI number at this field, then hit the check button, confirm the CAPTCHA or perform the CAPTCHA check. And check one last time and look at the model name that it has. If the model name over here corresponds with your phone model, our phone model, that is the Magic5 Lite by HONOR, so that practically means that you are indeed an owner of the original HONOR Magic5 Lite. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.